Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any EV having a Dodge Charger, and if you have the all-wheel drive version, you need to find the fuses for the all-wheel drive system. Stay with us, we'll explain that. You have two fuses guys. Many of you ask me about that video if you have problems with the all-wheel drive and it doesn't work, what to look for. So number one, check fuses and we'll explain where they're located. Before we continue guys, it's super important to test fuses and relays when you're working on those, and we're going to explain how you can easily do that as well in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. If you have a Dodge Charger, we'll be making even more. We'll be taking it completely apart, we'll be taking that engine apart, transmissions, anything practically, and we'll even have the 5.7 engine coming as well. Now, why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, replacement parts, relays for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can guys save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So this specifically guys, it's a 2018 Dodge Charger 3.6 engine. Right here, this is the fuse box. Okay, you have one tab here, one there. You squish towards each other, you pull up, you remove it like that. Here you have the fuse numbers, as you can see. And what you need to do now guys, okay, for these fuses, it's pretty simple guys. We do not have specifically the all-wheel drive version, but if you do, that's we'll show you which fuses you need to check. One of them will be fuse number 9, okay, and it will be, okay, number 9 all-wheel drive module. It will say 20 amp fuse, talking about that fuse here. So you will have one fuse that you need to check right here. That's the one for the all-wheel drive system guys. The very first fuse in that block here, that will be the first fuse. Then you have one more fuse that you need to check, which is actually number 48. Okay, all-wheel drive module right there. This is for the front axle disconnect, and the 48 fuse guys will be that first fuse in that block right here. If you have it, it will be this one here for any of you that need to find it. If your all-wheel drive system still doesn't work or you have lights for it, we'll have a video that will explain what else to check. But number one will be check fuses guys. Number 2, check actually relays, and it's very important to test them as well, because you may think you have a good fuse or relay, put it back in, and you still have the problem. You can spend quite a bit of time and money to fix that problem, when all you had to do, test it, find out it's bad. And we'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses and relays, so please check it out. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.